Welcome to 800 Horse Garage. Here's my two 2002 Thundercats 1000cc. They're both super clean sleds. I picked them up this year. I wanted the last year of the Thundercat 1000cc, and I got some really nice examples of them here. They're both really clean sleds. The one on the right, it's got 11,000 miles on it, which is crazy. From the look of it, it looks like it's got about 1,000 miles on it. But when you're up in upper Michigan, they stay pretty nice. And obviously never been trailered. And then here's another one here. This one's only got 3,000 miles on it. Another super clean sled.